It wasn't until later on, when I left the club and I was on my own, that I didn't know how I was going to get home. Anyway, I ended up getting in this car, and I thought he was taking me home. On the way home, I realised something wasn't right. I ended up down a secluded area. I was on my own, there was nobody about. It all happened, it all took place. I was frightened, I was scared, there was nothing I could do. I couldn't reach out to anybody, I can't say I couldn't, but I could scream and I could cry if I really wanted to. I was just that frightened. I just lay there, I just still froze. After it, I was able to leave the car. I was close to my home by this time, so I managed to run home. I was banging on my door, I was screaming, I was crying, I was in shock. My mum got on the phone to the police, and my mum informed the police. And then within minutes, I had a police officer around at my house, and then obviously he sat me down and he talked to me and he comforted me and stuff, and then I just told him the events, what had happened. I've been really secretive about it, really. At first I didn't want anyone to know, and I coped it on my own with my family and things. It's not just for girls, it's boys as well. It don't matter what time of the day it is. Just always remember that there is people out there, there is evil people out there, and just try not to put yourself in a position where you can be a victim. And if you are going to go out and you are going to have a drink, do have a good night, but just make sure you just know how you're getting home, and make sure you are going to stick with your friends.